Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing a brand new pair of inner monitors that I got from Amazon a few hours ago. I've been super excited to get my hands on these because I've already reviewed the Moondrop Aria, and these are the Snow Edition. So you got the Ice Queen waifu on here on the front. Let me get my big unboxing knife and take this plastic off, and let's see what we get here. Now these are the exact same price as the original Moondrop Arias, which is around $79, $80. You can pick these up Linsol, Amazon, Syngent AliExpress. I'll leave links down in the description below where you can pick these up. So as you can see here, you got all of the tech specifications. It's showing you, the pin, the sensitivity, the frequency range, impedance. The effective frequency range is pretty much the same thing. Even the frequency response graph looks the same. I'm kind of curious to know what's different besides this, a new paint job. So let me take this waifu sleeve off of here. Come on, get off. There we go. All right. Pretty much the same presentation as the original ones. Wait a minute. That up. Ooh, that's nice. That little snowflake. It's cool. Ooh, man. The pictures did not do these justice. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Hold up. Trying to get these up out of here. Look at these. Nice, sweet silver spray paint. Ooh, these are some nice looking shells. Look at that. Look at that design. That's dope. That is really dope. I like that. It's like some it's a snowflake, but it looks like, I guess, fingerprint ridges like on the outside. Yeah, it's pretty much the same like shape. And yeah, aluminum. Let's see what else we get inside the box. We get the warranty card, and of course we also get a carrying case. Let's see here. It's not white. Got a little snowflake, a golden one on. This is nice. This is white. This is gonna get dirty as hell. Okay. Pretty much get the same cable as on the. Well, no, actually, I take that back. I'm lying. The original Moondrop Aria, they have a 0.78 pin, 2-pin connection cable with the little Velcro thing at the Y splitter, but it is these are like sheathed in like I guess plastic or some type of rubber, I don't know, polymer, and the old ones are like sheathed in like nylon, so that's nice. Looks pretty dope. That's from the feel of it's got nice feel. Let me unravel it and see if it's what the memory is like. I didn't like that though. Usually it has like a little thing where you can wrap it around and it'll stay on the cable, but I guess that'll stay on. Let's see here. Okay, looks like the cable doesn't have a whole lot of memory. It was wrapped up, but it's uncoiled and it's nice and loose. Cool. Alright. Now I know that the Moondrop Chew, which is around like 19 bucks, they came with like spring tips. So I'm curious to see what type of tips come with these. Let's open up this last box. Yes, spring tips. Oh yes. Okay, so you're getting, what is that, small, medium, and large spring tips, and you're getting the regular silicone tips, small, medium, and large. Oh my god. Ooh-wee. Okay, yeah. I'm excited. I am really excited. This is in Chinese. I can't read that. Only Chinese I know is ni hao, and that's hello. Okay, it says wearing of earbuds, earphone burn in, that's cap, earphone storage, notes, blah blah blah, warranty card. Okay, yeah, that's not important. Let's put all that back in there. just make it all nice and neat. Let's see what the passive noise isolation is on this thing. Let's see, I don't have much experience with the spring tips. All I know is that a Moondrop makes them for some of their earbuds, and I am having technical difficulty. Okay, here we go. All right, let's see what we got. I don't know which is the large, or it might be or if it's some type of writing. No, that just said Moondrop. I just have to go by. I have to go by the look of them. Let me see. That looks like the large, so that probably ain't gonna work for your boy. I'm assuming these right here, not the one with the white core, but the second. Okay, the silver core. I think that might be the medium. So I am going to try these out and see how they fit in the ear. Come on, man. All right, here we go. Put these over to the side. Let me see. Yeah, these look like the medium. Let me slide these on here. Yeah, I like how the color it coordinates with the silver of the shells. Let me see. These kind of look like spin fits. Got the same like feel as spin fits. All right. This is taking way longer than usual. Might have to use some editing magic. Okay, that is left. Just insert that in there like that. This is the right. Insert that in there like that. Okay, now I'm not gonna plug this up to any phone or anything. I'm just wanting to see, you know, how they feel in the ear. Okay, even the fit in the ear is the same. Yeah, these spring tips ain't half bad. I can't really hear anything. Okay, very nice. Very nice. I am impressed. I need to do some sound tests with these because I feel like that's the only difference between the original Moondrop Aria is the probably gonna be the sound. Got the same aluminum shells, same connectors on with the cable. Cable is different. Yeah, even L-shaped 3.5 millimeter headphone jack connector. Yeah, even though the Y splitter is the same. Well, actually, no, Y splitter is different. Now that I'm thinking about it, let me see. This cable more resembles the one that you get with the Moondrop SS. Yep, pretty much the same. Okay, so this has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Moondrop Aria Snow Edition. Be sure to leave a like, comment, share. If you want to see more videos, consider subscribing to my channel and click the bell icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos. As always, enjoy your life, enjoy your sound. I'll see you in the next one.